friends, welcome to the mid-market update from Advisory Desk. After the bounce we have seen yesterday, Nifty today again went into correction mode. Nifty currently is trading 0.5% down, while Sensex is also similarly down by 0.53% at this point in time. However, we are seeing the broader indexes like the BSE small cap and BSE mid cap index are in green, and they are currently up 0.3 and 0.9% respectively. What we are seeing, the banking index is up, largely led by private sector bank. Banking index is up 0.2%, largely led by Axis Bank, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank and Canara Bank. Auto index at this point in time is down 0.4%, largely led by heavyweights like Tata Motors, M&M and Bajaj Power. These are dragging the auto index down. We are seeing sharp selling in BSE FMCG index, largely led by Godrej Consumer, which is down more than 5% at this point in time. Apart from the BSE IT index is trading flat, but however we are seeing some buying interest in Wipro, HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra. So all in all these are supporting. However, we are seeing little bit of selling in TCS. So as a result, the BSE IT index is trading flat at this point in time. In terms of healthcare index, it is up 0.6%, largely led by counters like Alembic, Torrent Pharma, Natco, Oro Pharma, Strides are collapsed. So across the and many other counters in the pharma pack are seeing action today. So as a result, healthcare index is up 0.6%. Apart from this, in terms of stock specific action, we are seeing that Techno Electric is up 1.3% at this point in time after it announcement of it bagged an order of 450 crores. We are also seeing action in Torrent Pharma and Alembic Pharmaceutical Limited and Alembic Limited. These are separate companies. After there is a possibility that it has likely to get a US FDA approval for a certain drug which has a big market size. So stocks are up at one point in time 7-8%. However, currently trading in the range of 3 to 4%. All three stocks which I have mentioned for this pharma thing. Motherson Sumi System is also up 4% at this point in time after it bagged an euro 2.2 billion order, approximately 15,400 crores. This order is expected to start from 2018. The client name is Daimler Chrysler. In such a for deal, it has to set Motherson Sumi has to set up plants in US, and from 2018 it can expect revenues to accrue to it. In terms of stock specific companies which are contributing to Sensex are Wipro, Axis, ICICI, GAIL and Tata Steel. They are positively contributing to Sensex. However, Vedanta, HDFC, Tata Motors, ITC and TCS are negatively contributing to Sensex at this point in time. Currency is trading flat at this point in time at 63.195 versus the dollar. Friends, that's all from the Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful trading session ahead.